Oh my goodness. In today's video, we're doing a very cheap and extremely simple upgrade to our RC cars to increase their performance. And all that upgrade is this simple little battery right here. And today's victims are gonna be the BlackZon Smyter Turbo and the MJX Hyper Go 14211. And the reason we chose these two cars in particular is although they only come with a 2S battery stock, both their ESCs are rated for 3S Lipos. So we snagged up the cheapest 3S Lipo we could find on the internet that would fit inside of these guys, which happens to be a 3200 mAh 25C from Sheeta. It has the T-plug and a balance board on there and should fit and work inside these two vehicles. Let's get that 3S battery installed and get to ripping. Unfortunately, our battery is just a little too fat to fit in there, but it's okay because I got my favorite temporary fix. That should hold for now. It's kind of a tricky bonehead fix too, because you don't really have room because the servo link's there, and then you don't really want to cover up the fan too much because you don't want it overheating, but we'll see how it holds. We got power. Wow. Oh my goodness. So if you guys haven't watched the BlackZon Smyter Turbo video, we'll leave a link right up here in the top of the screen. Basically, this car was slightly uncontrollable on the road on 2S with its big tires, kind of higher center of gravity, whips around with the open diffs, and now on 3S, oh Lord have mercy. This baby's gonna be a handful, especially one-handed here. Wow. Absolutely incredible. All right, let's see if we can do a backflip easier now that it's on 3S. Oh, well, maybe not on that ramp. Almost. Nice, there we go. Now it's got the torque to do a backflip. So many rocks inside of it, it's like a maraca when you flip it over. That like reverse to throttle insta 360 is never gonna get old. Such a fun trick this does right out of the box. Uh-oh, looks like we popped the cage off there. Jeez. Unfortunately, on the larger impacts, there is a lot of front tower flex and just front end flex in general, so the body does keep popping off. It's not broke though, still works fine. You just have to undo it, re-put it in there, and then re-put your body clips in there. But it does get annoying when it happens after every jump. Oh. Well, not exactly what we're looking for. Alright, time to see how this little dude will rip around on the grass on 3S. It is pretty hot today. I believe it's 91, 92 degrees, so motor temps might be an issue being out here too long. Our makeshift duct tape battery strap held up great on the BlackZon. We're gonna go ahead and put this one away and whip out the MJX. It's short course time. And this thing is even crazier than it was before. So thankfully this thing handles a little bit better than the BlackZon Sprite. And it's a lot easier to hit the jumps, especially out here. Well, thankfully it's a small one. That one didn't hurt too bad. Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We might have a problem with the MJX. Hearing something crunchy going on in the drivetrain. We're just gonna keep sending it though. We'll check it once she breaks, or if it comes out. It might just be a rock stuck in there somewhere, hopefully. And really the only major downside to this truck, them dang rocks getting stuck in the steering. Oh my God. And it landed it. Woo! Oh! Oh yeah. I know that battery ain't dead already. We got something messed up in the drivetrain. So it is interesting. Nothing's stuck in the drivetrain that you could see from the outside. So we're gonna end up having to take the gear covers off to see what the actual culprit is. Have a feeling it might be a stripping spur gear, but we will see in a little bit. As for right now, this is top speed with whatever's going on. I don't know, maybe it's a diff gear. It might be a diff gear, I don't know. Stripped a lot of spur gears in my day. Kind of seems like that might be what it is, but can never count out those diffs. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video on the MJX 14211 and the BlackZon Smyter Turbo on 3S. They're both pretty decently fun on 2S. On 3S, they're a whole new beast. If you're interested in either car and need some replacement parts, links will be down in the description below, or you can head directly over to our website at www.nightboyz.com. And remember, keep it naughty.